So here I have the Briidea RV carbon monoxide and propane gas alarm. I had one of my propane alarms go out in my trailer and I needed to replace it, and I figured I might as well upgrade and get a carbon monoxide and propane gas alarm to replace just the propane gas alarm. So I'm going to go through this and show you how easy it is to install and just kind of all the features to it. And so right now I have it disconnected right here on this side. When you get this, you get a tool that looks like this, and basically you can use this to, there's 4 things on the side. There's 2 on this side and 2 on this side for brackets that hold it in. And so all you do is take this tool and you push on this side, and as you can see, this side popped out. And so now all I have to do is just uninstall it like that. So pretty straightforward there. For installation, really easy. There's 2 wires, red and a black. Definitely I recommend turning off all the power before you do this. They are low voltage, but still, just to be safe. So also when you get your package, you get 2 wire caps here that'll screw the wires together. And so you basically just tighten those together and screw this on top of the actual exposed wires, and that'll cinch it down. And then I did put some electrical tape on there just to keep it there, and also for safety measures. So really easy to install. One thing to note, when you install this bracket, there's 4 holes here that you can use to install it. It comes with 4 screws. And so one thing that I did is I didn't realize on this side and this side, the 2 bracket clips that actually go on, that are on the sides here, they are different sizes. And so I had this backwards when I first installed it. It was a really easy fix. All you have to do is basically, even if it's already wired in, you just flip it around and, you know, put the screws back in, and you're good to go. So I'm just going to show you here how easy it is to put it back on. You basically just put one side in first, and then you push the other side in. Nice and sturdy, which I like, because with the trailer, obviously, there's a lot of bouncing around. I don't feel like it's going to come loose over time. I've only had this for a month, but I've been pretty impressed with it so far. On the front here, you have a carbon monoxide light and then a propane light. So it's nice that it senses both gases. And so if you want to test it, basically there's a test button right here. You can see that it's functioning. You heard the beep, and you know, it's definitely a good little alarm. I'm pretty happy with it. If for some reason there were some issues, you get a red flash, and then it would go red, solid red if it was greater than 35 parts per million. And with the propane, it will go solid red if it's greater than 5% LEI. So like I said, I've been really happy with it. Easy to install, super basic, but I also like that this is really thin. Compared to my other propane gas alarm, probably stuck out about this far. And so, you know, just makes it a little easier. It is a little bit wider than my other propane gas alarm, but it's nice that I was able to upgrade. Now I have carbon monoxide and propane alarms in my trailer for this area, and you know, as a whole, I've been really happy with it.